Hello, traders! Welcome back to my live stream where we trade live together. Um, we trade futures, we trade Forex, we trade everything you guys, I analyze everything you guys want me to. I do trade US 30 or YM on a future size. I do trade based on support resistance, price actions. Um, Break, retest. If you're not new, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So how is everybody doing though? Say hello. Say hello if you're here and you want to see my entries. Okay, I'm just gonna go to the charts and here we have the Dow. Let's go to the 5 minutes and mark some areas of interest. Okay, we can see here, this is the higher high, so we need to mark this. The price touched it, I think, and rejected it just now. Okay, let's mark this. Yes, correct. Let me see if I mark it well. Perfect. Those lines are just to help me when it's to draw it better. You can see the price did touch the high and rejected it. Let's see, we missed the entry. The price just got below the EMA. Let's see other areas that we have here. Hello Piyush, how are you? How is your day going? Okay, so the next area, it's somewhere here. Let's see, did I mark everything? Good morning. I am great. I am very, very good. Okay, I see the price is at the EMA 50. You can see here it was a consolidation. It did break this area back, so it just was a fake breakout. Now the price is at the EMA 50 on 5 minutes. Let's see. I just arrived and I really like your video. They truly educational. Being here is a great opportunity for me. 2002. Thank you. I appreciate. I try. I'm still a beginner though, so it'll be when it comes to content creation. So if my videos are not very professional, but I'm glad they're educational because that's the point. Let's see if I get a retest of the EMA here and maybe go for short till here, this area, but let's see first. Where are you from? 22. I'm watching it on 5 minutes to see the way price moved today. It was any news at 9:30. This is the opening. It was a very aggressive open. Let's see. Oh, okay. So today, which was just now, it was a high news, but not so much move at 10 o'clock. Let's see. We'll see. Turkey. Nice Turkey. I love Turkey. I've been to Turkey last year. It was very nice. Very, very nice. I mean, I fly to Turkey all the time when I go to Romania. If you guys want me to watch something else, let me know. Now I'm waiting to see if it's gonna retest this EMA and go more low, or you just wanna go back above and retest this area or break it again. Not sure yet. Today I'll be here just for 1 hour, guys, so I hope we have any trades in this hour. Let's put a Fibonacci here and see. So this is an area of the Fibonacci. Let's see if it gets there. Can see a rejection, but I'm not going to get in because the price is, you see, it's still at the EMA 50 on 5 minutes. And it's gonna take a little bit to break it, actually. Let's see. If I'll do this. But if I do this, I don't have my 2, I just have 1 till the next area. I don't like just 1. I don't like to risk 1 to get 1. So I probably, yeah. If it breaks this and gets back to this area, you can scalp from here to here. I'm not gonna do it because it's too short for me. I don't like risking 1 to get 1. I like to risk 1 to get at least 2. But again, hello Jason, good morning. I don't have much English. I don't understand, but I can easily understand the trades you make. Okay. I don't know Turkish, so sorry. I have a feeling today is not, the market is not going to be too I'm still watching it on 5 minutes. It looks like you want to reject the EMA on 5 minutes. We'll see. What is your bias, guy? Buy or sell? Sell. Here, if it cross this, you can go on a sell. If it cross this blue line here, just below, you can go on a sell. I like 2, but we have to watch this area right here. This. If you are okay, just from here to here, just go in a scalp. From here to here. Hey Vinaya, I am great. How you doing? Don't forget, this area is not broken yet. I said if the price. We need a full candle here. Not yet. Not yet. You need a full candle below. Not yet. You see? We need a full red candle below. Hey, Alpesh, long time no see. Full red candle below. If you want to go on a sale. I am good, Alpesh. I'm great. I am great today. Today is the day. Yeah, I was busy in my research. Glory, glory, glory. Busy is good. My coffee is almost done. Not yet. Don't enter yet. To see Nifty, let's look at the Nifty. Nifty 50. Right now, Nifty is consolidating. I will wait. What happened though? Like, what was this? Look at this. What was this? Big jump like that. So yeah, wait for to break this area and maybe retested it from below. And this area, but still dangerous above here because bunch of sellers here. It's called a Trump candle. But when was this? February 2nd. Today. Trump candle. Oh, okay. So what's going on with deal trade between USA and India announced? Oh, okay. And it wasn't good. What's the reason behind gold fluctuation? I guess, I'm not sure, but gold is linked with the US dollar. So the fact that they didn't, the interest rates, I guess the dollar, it's a bad news for the dollars and also for the gold. And also, it was a strong rally upside. Of course, people will take profit. People will take profit. It was rally for too long. And also, when big moves like this happen, it's called a sentimental trade. So people will see gold still dropping, so they keep want to take profit. Said, oh, okay, let me sell now, let me sell. So it was a sentimental move too. And now, look, slowly, it's getting back. I think it's stable now, if you ask me. The candles are not as big anymore. Look at those candles here. I think now you can get back to your strategy. When the price form V shape like this, it's usually the stop, V. That's what I think. I don't know. But you can see, or from a technical analysis, Habil, I'm telling you, you can see here, before the gold was just going up, like continue. Now you see the gold got up and it broke a support. It broke the support and then retested. So once people see this retest, they just put their sell order. That's from a technical analyze. What is US 30 doing? Yeah, you see, it did not give me the full candle below here. Nifty 50. Did I say the Nifty? Here, watch it here. Watch to break this area here. Watch to break this area, and then the price is below the EMA. If you're an aggressive seller, you can go down. You can go down after it break the area and fill the gap. I think usually when it's a big gap like this, usually people want to fill it back in, right? So it will probably fill down. So if you take a short, wait for this area to break. If you are conservative like me, you can wait for a retest and then go on a short. The short is what I'm seeing right now. Yeah, sure. I'm not sure. I'm not very good on fundamentals. What happens in the government and with all those things. I like to analyze the chart on technical, but yeah, that's what I saw in gold. I know it's linked with the dollar. I know it was the Fed news on the dollar few recently. The dollar is weak, so that's not a good news. Plus the fact that people took profit. It was kind of everybody was waiting for that short. I wasn't expecting to be such a big short, such a drop, but we were all expecting a drop. And I guess people when they see that aggressive sell, they keep taking the profit. Niagara Falls, what is that? I don't know what's Niagara Falls. It says it's a Niagara Falls formation. It's probably a pattern. Let's see. I don't. I never heard about it. Maybe it's called differently because he's from Niagara Falls formation. No, I can't find nothing about it. Yeah, the US 30 is consolidating right now. But yeah, Alpesh, just watch what I told you. I think the price wanna um, fill that gap. Waterfall. So the price is gonna fall. The waterfall, what he's referring, it's I think it's on gold he's talking. This is the waterfall. Like this, when the water, it fall, and then I call it a V shape. You're talking on a gold, 2002, on a gold, this. Nifty, yeah, just watch what I told you on Nifty and you'll be fine. That was on 5 minutes, so you'll be fine. Okay, so the price. Let's see if it won this area. Retest it, okay, again. You know, I could consider this, but I can't consider this a rejection of the EMA. Remember, when I need a rejection, I need the price touch the EMA and maximum 4 candles to go back up. These are a bunch of candles. You see, 1, 2, 3. So, no, we stay away. You guys want me to watch something else? Silver. Let's see silver. Let's go to 5 minutes on silver. Okay, silver. Silver was reacting nice to the EMA. It was kind of a support. Oh, same thing. It had a huge drop. I think now is trying to recover. This is an area right here that I like to mark because the price is at that area and is consolidating. Okay, right now the price is consolidating on a 5 minutes. Clearly, it's an uptrend. You can go for a short if it breaks and retest this. Go for a long, same, break this. Yeah, I would like a long more than a short. Let me see on 1 hour. The price is, that's why it's slowing down a little bit. It's around the EMA 50 on 1 hour. Let's see how the price reacted there before. You see, EMA 50 before was support. on an uptrend. So let's see if it acts as a resistance on a downtrend, but I don't think it's gonna drop more. I think it wants to go up. So yeah, wait for to break this area here. Maybe a full candle above the EMA or a nice retest on an EMA here. Go for a short. Also, you can see it's a W pattern. So this makes me, you see this here? W. Oh, jeez. It's a W here. So that tells me the price want to go up. But it's just having a little trouble on an EMA. But it is a W on 1 hour, which is strong. W pattern are very strong. We'll see. But right now, stay away. Stay away. Maybe the price, because it's a W, here is the neck of the W, the base. Here, right? Here is the base of the W. Maybe the price will want to retest the base and then go up. The strategy of the EMA 50, it's really nice. Thank you. Yeah. We'll see with the silver too. But if that was me, that's what I would wait, to break this and go for a short. Or the best case, to break this and go for a long. What's your thought about Fibonacci okay, so I did actually film a video yesterday about Fibonacci. Let me show you something. I don't think we're gonna take any RSI. I'll put an RSI. And the strategy, the thing how I show to use the Fibonacci is you need a double, like everything. I don't just use one thing, just one EMA or just Fibonacci, right? So for the Fibonacci, I can make this bigger. Okay, you want to look for hidden divergence. For example, okay, this is lower, but here is higher. On an uptrend, on a downtrend. Okay, I want to see okay, so here this is higher than the it's okay. Okay, here it's lower. Okay, here is a divergence. You can clearly see this point right here. It's higher than this point right here, right? But on an RSI, this point is lower. So when you put the Fibonacci, I'm just want to see, you put the Fibonacci, and if the Fibonacci was to match this area exactly, you can go in. You understand what I'm saying? It does 0.5 area more than this. So if the Fibonacci and the RSI kind of get together, which it doesn't happen very often, but when it happens, it's a very strong move. That's a great tool to use Fibonacci. So when you see a divergence like this, put your Fibonacci and see if it matches it, and then you can go in. How to cut losses? Oh, how to cut losses? Here again, this, it's lower, it's clearly higher than this, but on RSI, it's clearly lower, right? So if you put the Fibonacci, let's see. You put the Fibonacci. Yes, it's 0.5, a little lower. If it was great. But if you still like the 0.5, which is still strong, you can still take it. As you can see, it goes. But you just want to make sure you have both. You have more than one confirmation. Here, this one is clearly higher and this one is clearly lower. Let's see if we put the Fibonacci. Oh, this one, it matches perfectly, you see? And then look at this big move that happened. You understand what I'm explaining to you right now? Or I'm just talking? To cut losses, you either trail, move your stop loss all the time when you are in profit, if you like to do that, or follow your strategy. You cannot follow your strategy, and if you have a good strategy, the losses are gonna be lower than the winners. Make sure you risk how much you can risk. Don't risk more. And yeah, I just don't know exactly how I can explain it. Let me see here, for example. This is a downtrend, right? So we're looking at the highs. This is lower. It's not I don't have I don't have an entry right here to show you. I don't know why my brain don't want to put the stop loss. No, that's you have to. That's a rule. You can't let it slip. That's the number one rule. Stop loss. Let me see if I find another example. In an uptrend. No. Yeah, those don't appear, but when they do appear, it's very powerful. Okay, so here you take these two, right? So you can see this is lower. This is this right here. It's definitely higher than this right here, right? Definitely on a chart. But when you go to RSI, this right here, it's lower. It's definitely lower, right, than this right here. So you put a Fibonacci and you can see this matches the Fibonacci exactly. It matched this great area. So now you have a double confirmation that the price goes up. You see? So, yeah. So if you want to use Fibonacci, that's the best way to use it. You make sure it lines up with anything else, with something else. It can also line up with the support and resistance. If it does line up with that, so it's strong. Hey, you back? Why you late? Hmm? You missed 5 take profits. 5 take profits you missed. He said, you're ready for your 6th stop loss. I'm ready. I'm ready for anything. I'm ready for anything in this life. Okay, so now that's the first candle that break below. So if you want to go on a short, this will be the candle and just go till this area like this. But guys, I'm gonna be down, finish in 5 minutes. If you want to sell, yeah, but just till here, this area right here, if you want to sell. You're not gonna have the full soon, so I'm not gonna go in. But the best is to just wait for a retest of this area, or just risk very little. Risk very little. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave you in a few minutes. I have to go. I'll be live on another YouTube channel. I'll be live on Hola Prime Spanish. I'll be live in Spanish though, so we'll see. I'll see you there. No trade for me today. This is not a trade. That's no trade. I think the it just want to consolidate. It's not moving somewhere. So I'll be waiting for another retest of this area. If you want to go in, just wait for another retest of this area. Okay, guys, that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow, same hour. I'm sorry, I have no trade for you today. I'll see you in the next hour when I'll be live on Spanish if I have a trade. If not, I'll see you tomorrow. I'll probably good for you. I'll probably if I take a trade, I'll let you know on Instagram. And yeah, that's it. I'm excited and waiting for you to sell, but I don't know if I want to sell. I don't know if it's a sale. Continue. I don't know if it's a sale. It's a sale if it goes back to this area and retest it, and probably you can take a scalp. But if it comes down to this area, it's a buy. You see the rejection. This is a demand. So if the price touch this demand zone again, you're probably gonna see an up. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna sell. I don't predict it like that. I just have to make sure. Okay. Rahat version. I know what rahat. I know what rahat means, so you know that. Biraz daha rahat. Rahat. Okay, guys, have a good day. Bye.